Next Wave CNC is focused on continuing to improve the performance and capabilities of our SHARK CNCs. Our quality accessories, parts, and innovative tools are all designed to expand creative opportunities while providing maximum performance for our customers who own a SHARK. Assembly Video Series. How to unpack and assemble your Next Wave CNC SHARK SD100. In this video, we will show you how to safely unpack and assemble your new SHARK SD100 CNC. First, place the box containing your SD100 CNC next to a table sturdy enough to support the weight of the SD100. Set aside the box found inside that contains the parts, hardware, and paperwork. Remove and place the SD100 CNC on the table. Remove the cardboard and all plastic wrap from around the SD100. Next, open the box containing parts, hardware, and paperwork. Lay out all the parts, hardware, and paperwork onto the table. Refer to your owner's manual to ensure there are no missing items. Next, plug in the AC power cord to the back of the SD100. Then, plug the AC power adapter into a trusted power source. Plug in the USB cable to the back of the SD100 and then into the USB port on your computer. Open the Vectric Zero box and insert the thumb drive into your computer. Finally, let's install the router. You can loosen the bolt on the front of the clamp with an Allen wrench. Next, use a flathead screwdriver to gently spread the clamp enough to allow the router to drop into place. If necessary, you can loosen the 4 bolts that attach the router clamp to the SD100 CNC to create enough space for the router. Ensure that your router power cable is away from the back of the SD100 CNC. If necessary, tighten the 4 bolts that attach the router clamp to the SD100. Then proceed to tighten the bolt on the front of the router clamp with an Allen wrench. Now you have successfully unpacked and assembled your Next Wave CNC SHARK SD100. All Next Wave CNC products include lifetime support. Should you have any questions, email us at support@nextwavecnc.com. SHARK, world class, made in USA.